In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Pay subscription payment failed. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone, tap your Apple ID, then go to Payment and Shipping to check which card is being used for subscription and make sure it's active, verified, and has enough available balance. Next, review your billing address and payment details to ensure they match exactly what your bank has on file, and update them if needed. If the card was recently replaced or expired, remove the old card and add the new one to Apple Pay. Then, set as the default payment method for subscriptions. Restart your device and make sure it's updated to the latest iOS version, as software glitches can sometimes cause subscription payment failures. If the payment still fails, contact your bank or card issuer to check for declined or blocked recurring payments, or reach out to Apple support for help with your subscription billing. So that's it.